Meet the CloneForce Product Support Clone, your digital teammate for sales and customer success. Every sales cycle interrupted by a support ping is revenue left on the table. Your sales and CS teams shouldn't be choosing between closing deals and answering routine questions. This platform solves exactly that problem. Here's how it works. The Product Support Clone instantly handles Tier 1 questions, password resets, account setup, basic troubleshooting. When a ticket arrives asking how to invite a teammate, the clone retrieves the exact answer from your knowledge base, provides clear step-by-step guidance, and closes the ticket with consistent, on-brand communication. Your team stays focused on what matters most: relationships and revenue. We're talking 90% of routine tickets resolved automatically, around the clock. When a ticket needs human expertise, the clone doesn't just escalate. It tags the issue with the correct category and priority, then routes it to the right owner. Sales engineers see only complex technical questions. Account managers handle relationship-sensitive matters. Your experts work on what only they can solve. During live chats or calls, the clone surfaces relevant articles and suggests response snippets in real time. After the conversation, it logs the issue, documents every step taken, and drafts follow-up emails, so your reps always have clear status notes ready to send. No more rewriting the same information across multiple systems. The clone continuously analyzes ticket patterns, identifying recurring bugs and frequently requested features. It generates digestible reports with direct links to representative conversations, transforming scattered support data into actionable product intelligence. Your go-to-market teams can set realistic expectations and proactively address known issues. The result? Sales cycles 22% shorter. Qualified opportunities up 33%. No more revenue interrupted by support pings. Every customer gets fast, consistent answers while your team stays focused on growth. CloneForce Product Support. Clone. Support that scales with your ambition.